Hey, I got a new box and it's called Feeling Fab. Here with my little coconut water. Gonna unbox this. Okay, it has a little note saying that I'm worthy and all of the stuff that it has in the box. And on the back, the same thing. Okay, let me show you inside the box. It says thank you. Okay, what is this? Oh, 20% off of your entire purchase at Evolue Skincare. If you want to use that code, it is WINE20. Next we have this little self-care checklist. This is cool. Drink 8 glasses of water. Do morning yoga, breathing exercise, journaling, what I'm grateful for, skincare routine, go outside, tell my top goals. This is cool. So just every day check off, did I drink 8 glasses of water? Today, yes I did. Did I do morning yoga? Well, I don't do yoga, but I do mobility exercises, so yes I did that today. Breathing exercise, I guess when I meditate, that's how I keep myself in the zone and not get distracted by breathing. So maybe I'll check that off too. Journaling, I did not do that today. Sometimes I journal, sometimes I don't, but I usually do it at night. Skincare routine. Well, I have a super simple skincare routine. So just like wash my face and put moisturizer on. So I guess I did that. I went outside today. Yep, I went into my garden. So I did all of those except journaling. And that's cool. I'm grateful. Let me see. What am I grateful for? Everything. I'm grateful for everything that's happened in my life and everything that has not happened in my life for the betterment of my energy, I guess. Next, we have, I think these are socks. What is this? It's empty. But I guess it just tells what the composition of the socks are. These are kind of cute. They're like orchids. Phalaenopsis orchids. It looks like. Saying grateful. That's cute. And then on the back it has orchid little, I don't know, what are those called? Little rubber things at the bottom so that you keep your feet in place or from slipping. So this is really good for yoga or mobility exercises. This is cool. I like these. Next we have, let's see, what is this? Stress Reduction Essentials? I don't know what that is. Wonder what's inside. Let's open it up. Stress Reduction Essentials. So it has a little pamphlet with instructions and steps. Recognize the onset of unwanted emotions and set your intention. Pick a card and trust this is your next best step to relief. And then set aside 10 minutes of attention for your practice. So I guess they're prompts, card prompts, I think. Yeah, to do something that, oh, this is cool, to do something that is self-care, like, so this is color therapy. This is cool. Oops. So it tells you what to do, and then you can kind of take care of yourself with that. Maybe that's like an art therapy type of thing. Let's see, mindfulness they have. What else? What does that say? Biofeedback loop. I don't know what that is. Exercise and movement. What else? Oh, that's the same thing. Okay, that's the same thing. Okay, bath, yoga. What is that? Crystals? Oh, cool. Meditation. Awesome. This is cool. And it has the little gold rim on the cards. It's meditating. Oh. Oh, they have let me just take this little plastic thing off. Oh, look at this. Baths. I don't know why you would put pets in your bath, but I guess so. This is cool. There's all of the different things that you can do to take care of yourself. That's cool. That's really cool. So I'll be trying this like every time that, oh, probably every Sunday I'll do that, because I have like a little self-care Sunday. I clean up the house and just put on a mask and try to be mindful, I guess, of my body and my mind, and just trying to take care of myself, whatever I feel like I need at that time. So what is this? Stress and Clarity Oil. It's kind of hard to read. It's really small. I wonder if you can see that. Ugh. Well, I guess it can't see it. Oh. It's too small. Stress and Clarity Oil. And it has like a little crystal in it. I think it's called I don't know. I don't know what that crystal was called, but I've seen that crystal a lot, that purple crystal. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like mint. It smells pretty good. Oh, is it gonna come out? It smells like eucalyptus oil or mint oil. It smells really good, with a little bit of something sweet, maybe like vanilla, mint. That smells so good. Definitely smells like Serenity. I guess. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I've tried this Dollar Tea Club before. I don't really like their teas, but they're pretty they're affordable, I guess. And they have like different flavors and stuff. This is cookies and cream, but I didn't like any of the ones that I got, I guess. But we'll try this out. Black tea, sumac berries, cornflower, safflower, red plum petals, and natural flavors. Cool. Have some tea, put some oil on. Ooh, this Sunday is going to be cool because I'm going to try that. Maybe I'll film it. Maybe not. I don't know. Ooh, brightening face serum. Not that I need more brightening. Let's open it up. Cool. Okay. Oh, cool. It's $20 off of a $50 order. Brightening serum. Oh, does it have a code? Oh, it has a code. Single Wow 20. If you want to use that. Okay, face brightening serum. But this isn't serum, this is oil. Or maybe it's a serum. Let's just open it. Oh, it's like the safety, child-proof kind of. Yeah, this is definitely oil. I don't know why they called it a serum. It's very thin. Ugh. I don't like the smell. It smells like wood or... Ew. Oh, it doesn't smell good. What is in here? Grapeseed oil. Well, I don't know. They have a bunch of different oils in there. You probably can't see it, but yeah, a bunch of different oils. It does not smell good though. It smells really bad. Okay, and the last one in the box. Let me just wipe my fingers. There's nothing else in the box. So the last thing in the box is a mask. Yay, a plant mask. So this is revives and brightens dull skin. That's definitely what I need. I need some reviving of my skin. Maybe I'll try that this weekend. Ooh, not really good ingredients. That little killer there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this because it's one time only anyway. I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna put this mask on. I am going to have this Serenity cream, Serenity oil, maybe put it on my temples or, I don't know, somewhere I can smell it. And then I'll drink some tea. And I will, then I'll pick one of these cards and figure out what I'm gonna do next. Sounds like a plan. And of course, put on these comfy little socks. Do some stretching or something. Cool. Well, that was a good box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.